Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can search warehouse inventory on Costco app. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to simply open up the Costco application. And then inside here, you need to go ahead and simply sign in to your account. Once signed in, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the warehouse button. And just like that, inside here, it will take you to a new page where you will see the option to search for the warehouse inventory. You can just type in the specific item you're looking for and it will show you if it's available. But if you want to find a warehouse instead, go ahead and simply select warehouse locator and the app will detect your locator and display nearby warehouses. You can view details like store hours, phone number, and contact info by tapping onto the warehouse. And that's it. That is how you can use Costco app to search warehouse inventory or find warehouse details. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.